Bonjour, this is book 5. We are doing what is data collection and the data collection methods. One is, introduction. In any scientific research, one of the most important steps is data collection. It means gathering information to answer a question, test an idea, or understand a problem. Without good data, research cannot be trusted. Data collection helps researchers to accurate, honest, and to be accurate, honest, and logical in their work. There are two main types of data: primary data, secondary data. Primary data collected directly by the researcher, secondary data already collected by somebody else. Both types are useful and have their own importance. Let us now understand these in detail. What is data collection? Data collection is the process of gathering and recording information from different sources. This information is used to understand a topic, test an idea called a hypothesis, solve a problem, find results. Researchers use different tools and techniques depending on their topic. For example, someone studying climate change might collect temperature data, while someone researching education might use student surveys. Types of data. Primary data. Definition. Primary data is the original information that the researcher collects directly for their own study. Examples: interviewing students about their study habits, doing an experiment in a science lab, observing animal behavior in a zoo. Main features: it is first hand, it is fresh and original, it is specific to the research, it takes more time and effort, it is usually more reliable and accurate. Common methods: surveys or questionnaires, asking people questions to collect opinions or facts. Interviews, talking to people directly. Observations, watching and recording events or actions. Experiments, testing ideas in a controlled setting. Focus groups, small group discussions in a specific topic. Secondary data. Definition. Secondary data is information that's already collected by someone else for another purpose, but can still be useful for a new research. Examples: reading government reports, using data from newspaper or books, analyzing published research papers. Main features: it is pre-existing, it is easy to find and less expensive, it may not be perfectly suited to the new research, it is useful for comparison, trends and background. Sources of secondary data: government records, books, journals, newspapers, academic articles, websites and online databases. Role of data collection in scientific research. Data collection is the heart of scientific research. Without data, research is just opinion. Here are the main reasons why data collection is so important. Strong base for research. Data is the foundation for all research. It makes sure that research is based on facts, not guesses. Helps test hypothesis. Many researchers start with a question or idea called a hypothesis. Data shows whether this hypothesis is true or false. Better decisions. Data helps businesses, doctors and governments make good choices. Example: hospitals use data to improve patient care. Accuracy and trust. Good data collection makes research more trustworthy. Others can repeat the study and get the same results, which proves reliability. Comparing and finding trends. Over time, data helps to see changes and patterns. Example: climate scientists use old weather data to understand global warming. Generalizing results. If data is collected properly, the results can apply to larger groups. This makes the research more useful and meaningful. Solving problems and creating innovations. Data leads to new ideas and solutions. Example: during the COVID-19 pandemic, the data helped develop vaccines. Conclusion. To sum up, data collection is a key step in scientific research. It helps answer questions, test ideas, and solve problems. There are two main types of data: primary data, secondary data. Primary data directly collected by the researcher, secondary data already collected by the others but useful again. Both types are important and serve different purposes. Primary data is accurate and specific but takes more effort. Secondary data is easy to access but may not be perfect for the research. A good data collection process makes research valid, reliable, and useful. It helps in making better decisions, understanding trends, and creating innovations. Whether you are a student, scientist, or policy maker, understanding data collection is essential for success in research.